Podcast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Friday after an unexpected fall in existing home sales undermined optimism about the strength of the recovery, although disappointing news for the pound and the yen meant the dollar strengthened against them. The greenback ended at 1.3737 to the euro and 102.47 to the yen. Today's news includes the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, which is expected to show a negative 0.2% fall in the January, and Dallas Fed Manufacturing Activity in February, which fell to 3 from 3.8. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Friday despite the lack of economic news as a result of most other currencies weakening from poor or lackluster data from their own countries. The single currency ended the day 1.3737 to the dollar and 140.79 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone CPI final estimates, which are expected to remain unchanged in January. British pound. The pound weakened on Friday after early gains following the release of lower than expected public sector borrowing were completely reversed by an unexpected slowdown in retail sales in January. Sterling ended the day 1.6613 to the dollar and 0.8267 to the euro. Today's data includes nationwide house prices, which are expected to rise by 9% year-on-year in February. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Friday after the BOJ meeting minutes revealed most of the members of the governing council were in favor of extending QE for more than 2 years if required, a longer period than previously expected. The Japanese currency ended the day 102.47 to the dollar and 170.23 to the pound. Today's data includes the Corporate Services Price Index, which is forecast to show a more subdued rise of 1.2% year-on-year in January. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.369 with targets at 1.3775 and 1.381 in extension. Below 1.369, which will look for further downside with 1.367 and 1.365 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.67 with targets at 1.6605 and 1.6565 in extension. Above 1.67, which will look for further upside with 1.6725 and 1.6776 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 102.7 with targets at 102 and 101.65 in extension. Above 102.7, which will look for further upside with 103.05 and 103.4 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets for You. Have a great day.